Testing, testing, testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan, and today we are going to be talking about the 14Q quality principles. Today we're going to be talking about what these 14Q quality principles are. Okay? So we first have to ask the question, what are quality principles? Like, what is it? What quality principles are rules and values that help us make better things or better products and better services. Okay, you can think of this as the golden habit. We have to follow these 14 quality principles that make our products way better and our services also good as well. So let's look at them one by one, shall we? The first one being customer focus. You should always listen to the customer, okay? Maybe if there are any flaws, they could say. Maybe they want some changes to the product. You should also listen. So you should always listen to the customer. 2, leadership. Good leaders guide the way. This basically means a good leader should always lead the way, okay? So like someone with good leadership should guide everyone and help everyone with better products and handling and stuff like that. 3, involvement of people. Everyone's ideas always matter, not just the leader, but other people's ideas also matter to make the product more better. 4, process approach. This basically means breaking big work into small steps. So you have a bunch of big work, you can break it down into small, easy steps for an effective, better approach. Okay? System approach to management. This basically means make all parts work together. Make sure everything is working together, okay? Fluidly and basically, yeah, fluently and stuff like that. Just make sure everything works great, okay? 6, continual improvement, okay? What this means is make sure uh, keep things better every day. Things keep on getting better every day as we all continue. It's continual improvement. We have to make sure this improvement keeps on getting better to make our product even more better. 7, factual approach to decision making. Okay, what this basically means is we have to use data, we have to use facts, not guesses and randomness as well. Since it's random, if we just make some guess, it could be wrong and could be a big failure. We have to use data, we have to use facts that show we have to do this decision. Okay. 8, mutually beneficial supplier relationship. What this basically means, it's a win-win with the suppliers and you. So you get something out of them and they get something out of you. Win-win on both sides. 9, zero defects. Aim for no mistakes. Make sure there are no defects on the product you're making and throw it away to make a better one. So we should not make any of these mistakes, or else parts and stuff like that will fail, break, and just ruin the product entirely. So make sure there are zero defects. 10, do it right the first time. Avoid rework. Make sure that you complete your objective and create your product the first time to avoid rework and take more time. Make sure it's done right the first time. 11, quality in everyone's quality is everyone's responsibility. It's not just the quality team that's responsible for quality. Everyone is responsible for quality. Everyone that's working, not including the quality team, but the other teams as well, are also all responsible for the quality. 12, prevention over inspection. We have to stop these mistakes before they happen. So if you see someone going to do a mistake that could lead to some problems, stop them before they do it. Stop these mistakes from happening so that way we can prevent them. Over inspecting them if to see if anything's wrong, Make sure there should be nothing wrong in the first place. 13. Training and development. While we're also doing our job, we should also keep learning and improving our skills before, okay? And 12 and 14, okay? Sustainability. Basically, what that means is we have to follow our best written rules and stuff like that, and stuff we do, everything that we do good, we have to continue following that, okay? Until there are other ways and other better ways that can be found. We have to follow these better known rules and better known ways until a better way can be found. Okay? That's basically what the 14Q quality principles are, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you next time. Bye bye!